Best promo codes for KFC on Google Chrome. You simply have to click on the KFC official website here, and here I will show you how you can remind or how you can redeem vouchers and how you can get it. To redeem, what you have to do is you simply have to place an order, and on the payment page you will see an option that is a redemption section where you have to enter the code and then it will be redeemed. Then you will get the enjoy and you can enjoy the voucher that you have entered. Now, to find it, what you have to do is simply search on the Google Chrome for any type of promo codes available. Search for KFC promo codes 2024, and you will get there is a lot of third-party website. You simply have to click on them, and from there you can copy it. After that, finally paste it on the payment page on KFC. This is how you can get discount or this is how you can redeem a coupon on your KFC website. Thank you so much for watching this video.